When human computer scientists first developed software capable of rendering a three-dimensional fractal, it required massive mainframe supercomputers and weeks of intensive processing time just to calculate and render the mind-bending complexity of this geometry.
Yet, the biological entity on your screen executes this exact same infinite recursion.
Using nothing but the simplicity of water, warm sunlight, and ordinary dirt. This is the Romanesco broccoli, a living manifestation of a mathematical impossibility. Its cellular code runs an algorithm of infinite geometry, so absolutely perfect.
It makes our most advanced procedural generation engines look fundamentally obsolete.
To deconstruct this biological mega-project, we must discard standard biology, pulsing scientific ambient music throughout, and enter the cold, absolute realm of pure mathematical calculus. What you are witnessing is a structural engineering principle called infinite self-similarity.
Every single peak on this organic structure is composed of smaller peaks,
which are composed of even smaller peaks, repeating down to the microscopic level. In classical Euclidean geometry, maximizing surface area usually requires massive physical expansion. But a fractal solves this physical limitation with pure, elegant mathematical folding. By folding its structure into infinitely repeating iterations, this plant generates immense surface area within a strictly confined, highly optimized physical volume of space.
If human architects could fully weaponize this brilliant geometric folding.
But a fractal solves this physical limitation with pure, elegant mathematical folding, capable of capturing the energy output of an entire football field. But the actual biological architecture of this plant is far more precise. Pay close attention to the structural equation currently displayed on your screen. The formation of these spiraling buds is not random or chaotic. It is dictated by a recursive loop of opposite consecutive Fibonacci numbers. The angle of divergence between each newly formed cell is precisely
137.5 degrees.
This is the exact, unyielding mathematical coordinate of the golden angle.
Pause the video now to verify these incredible geometric numbers yourself.
This realization forces us to confront a terrifying paradox of evolution. A biological plant does not possess a silicon central processing unit. It has no physical brain, no advanced neural network, and absolutely no capacity to calculate complex, non-linear differential equations. Yet, to construct a perfect fractal out of living organic tissue requires an impossibly strict, hyper-precise set of biological commands. If a single microscopic cell miscalculates this precise division by even a tiny fraction of a millimeter, the entire fractal structure instantly collapses into complete biological chaos. It would be like trying to build a massive 100-story skyscraper completely without a blueprint, where every single placed brick must perfectly anticipate the weight of the brick placed years later. How does a brainless, simple organism execute a flawless, infinite loop? The answer to this mystery does not lie in advanced hardware. It lies in the cold efficiency of pure algorithmic logic.
The plant has engineered a localized Turing machine in its stem,
utilizing a powerful, basic growth hormone known as auxin.
The plant does not consciously calculate or know the math.
Instead, it elegantly utilizes the raw laws of physical repulsion.
As the growing tip of the plant generates brand new cells,
each active cell acts as a powerful chemical inhibitor,
pushing the next cell as far away as physically possible.
in a circular growing space. The mathematically optimal angle is to push away from the previous cell without wasting space.
Just happens to be exactly 137.5 degrees.
It is an automated, self-correcting biological physics engine. The fractal is not a conscious, planned, artistic design. It's to push away from the previous cell without wasting space. The plant has literally weaponized the laws of physics to guarantee its own survival in a competitive ecosystem. The Romanesco broccoli mastered infinite geometry to conquer physical space.
But what if a biological entity used mathematics to conquer time?
Deep underground, a mysterious insect has spent over a decade waiting. It waits silently in the absolute, crushing dark of the earth. It has no calendar, yet uses advanced cryptography to emerge.
Only on mathematically perfect prime numbers. Exactly 13 or 17 years.
It is a biological ticking time bomb, running a mathematical equation, specifically designed to break the reproductive cycle of its natural predators. Human cryptographers use prime numbers to secure digital bank vaults. Click the video on your screen to uncover this terrifying prime algorithm.